All right, guys, Jeff here, just going to do a quick review on this 3D laser level. We'll go ahead and kind of just get into it, take a look at it first, and then we're going to put it through its paces. So in our, taking our first look at it, we'll see if we can get that box out. There we go. And I do like that it comes with this nice hard case like this. It is nice to have your tools well organized and have them protected. And as you can see, this one comes with a lot of moving parts. So we'll just go through this a little bit at a time. You've got obviously some backup batteries, which those are always important. You want to make sure you have that. And then of course, a way to charge them. So USB and USB-C, so perfect. Kind of everything's going that direction. And then you have different mounts. So this one is going to mount onto a tripod, which then will take the mount of the laser itself, and different micro and macro adjustments that you can do. This is a receiver, and we'll show how that works in just a second, as well as a little targeting dial here, and it's this special green because you'll see why as soon as we get that up on the wall. And then most importantly, when you're downfield from your laser, anytime that you're working with a laser, you want to have eye protection on, because having that laser go right into your eyes is no good. So having this light, these safety glasses that will take the intensity of that laser out, especially when you're downfield of it, looking for the laser back, using like the receiver and whatnot, you're not going to get blinded with that light going right in your eyes. So anyway, we'll go ahead and take this out of the box. We'll put it through a little test here and go from there. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to just talk about how this receiver can help identify your laser, especially outdoors and when you're in bright light. So in this case, I'm actually doing a kitchen remodel, and I'm going to be putting some shelves and some running additional lines, and I'll come back to that, but I've got the laser clear on the other side of the room, and I'm up against this this white tile, bright lights in here, and then I'm in a grout line there. So it's not necessarily the easiest thing to see, although it is viewable. The great thing about this receiver is that as I get into the zone, you can see that that's telling me it's up, up, up. I go past it, it's telling me it's down. And then as I slowly get dialed in, that's the line right there. So that tells us right where we need to be, and that gives you the audible tone as well as that visible tone of that's where you need to be. So that's how you can use this. You can use this receiver in that way, and then use this as marking that. So once I've got that marked on this side using the laser as a projector, I can clearly identify that that's where it's going to be. So you can go around the room and use this to help either put marks or guide marks on there to know what's level. So in this case, I'm using it to just identify that. And it is super, super sensitive right there. I mean, I'd be good right with that. So anyway, that's basically how you can use this receiver downfield of that. Now notice, other thing, I was pointing away from the laser, so I don't have any of the laser light shining in my eyes. It's just a really good way to use that. So the receivers are definitely a good integral part of your laser level system. Okay, so one of the things too you're gonna see is that you're gonna get these lines here, and you'll notice that see how they bounce a little bit? That's a self-leveling feature, which is really nice, because that means whatever you're mounting you to, it doesn't have to be perpendicular or square or parallel to a certain degree. So if I bounce it and move it around, it's gonna find that level line and bounce like that. Obviously, if it gets to the point where it just can't do it, like in that case, it's just too off, it's gonna let you know it's not gonna find level. So I can get that back to where it's going to then find itself on level. So anyway, a really nice self-leveling feature that will give you a nice, clean, straight, level line all the way across the room. And even in this bright light environment, you can see that my laser line there, and I'm gonna be installing a bunch of shelves in here, and just wanted them to be same height all the way around. So this laser makes quick work of that kind of job, because rather than having to measure and break out the torpedo or your 4-foot level, you're able to just do that everywhere in here. And I've got shelves to hang here, and I've got shelves to hang there, and a whole drying rack above that triple sink. So this perfect application of where you would want to use something like this. And the fact that it has this magnetic little gear here, that's super nice. I was able just to hook that right where I wanted it to be on the side of an oven. So just perfect. Oh, okay, so as you can see, another option is to use a tripod. In this case, I'm using a combination of the tripod and the table to get that line up high on the wall. That's going to be my upper course of shelves right up there. And so you can see that using the tripod method in the middle of the room is giving me that line all the way across the room, even along the hood there. And that's of course a reflective surface, but you're still able to see that in there. And then of course the benefit of the remote just allows me to add whatever light or change the directions you can see of my vertical lines or my horizontal lines here there. So anyway, just a nice setup. This, again, I love the fact that you have this remote like this to make that work. So anyway, let me get to hanging some shelves and we'll come back to you in a second. Okay, so with that laser line running right underneath that, I was able to tighten these up and then just make sure that that stayed completely level. And with the 4 toggle bolts that I have in it, you're gonna have a hard time getting that off the wall on accident. So you'd have to try and actually take out those screws or bolts in order to get that off. So we'll go ahead to the downspout or the down rod part of that and get that going. So now I'm using it yet a different way. So now I'm going to make sure that my support brackets or this part of the shelving system goes up straight up and down without any flux there. And using the vertical feature on here, which is just the laser that goes up and down. Now I'm still using it on the tripod just because I can move that around easily. But as you can see, that's going to give me the perfect line just to keep that straight. So anyway, just another application. You saw how I used it to keep the thing parallel and level. Now I'm going to use it to keep things perpendicular. Okay, so that's kind of the finished product. It got everything off of the I guess floor, different places that it was, and it got things up high and organized, and finished up with a bunch of small wares and things on the wall within reaching distance of Geoffs. And so anyway, the shelf project aided by the laser level and layout tool that helped get this done. So if you guys like this content, by all means feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on The Lowdown.